Hello once again. This is Randy DeBerry, the course manager of COM 181 Basic Public Speaking here at Gateway Community and Technical College. The purpose of this video is to make sure everybody in the course is on the same page regarding the requirements for the personal narrative speech. So let's go ahead and begin talking about those requirements, starting with the time. The time requirement for the personal narrative speech is 7 to 10 minutes in length. As with both the personal narrative and the informative speech, there will be a point deduction if you are over or under time. Also, since this is the persuasive speech, remember you need to be making an argument. This is not the time to just tell us about something. You need to take a stand. Something's either good or bad, right or wrong, true or false, and make sure that's clear in your speech. Now, all the previous grading requirements from the other two speeches are being rolled over and will be a part of your grade on this speech. What I'm referring to here is the structural stuff regarding the basic parts of an introduction, body, conclusion, proper source citations, delivery, preparation outline. Those will all be graded as part of this speech as well. But there is one tweak and one brand new thing added to this speech. First, let's talk about the tweak, if you will, and that being with source citations. You must have a minimum of 3 orally cited sources in the persuasive speech. For the informative, it was 2. For the persuasive now, it's 3. So make sure you have those. There's also a brand new requirement, and that is a visual aid. You must use a visual aid as part of your persuasive speech. And the grading of the visual aid will go into how well it's put together and how well it is integrated within the speech itself. Now, as with before, once you have completed your your persuasive speech, you will need to be sure you upload it to YouTube just like you have in the past, and then copy and paste and submit the link to that speech through the class Blackboard page. And as with the other speeches, make sure you attach a completed preparation outline when you turn in the link through Blackboard. So those are the basic requirements for the persuasive speech. If you have any questions, please let your individual course instructors know, and I'm sure they will be happy to help you. Thank you.